Chale, a lot of Ghanaian artists are depressed. May God give them peace. Because easy, especially when the hits are not coming and the fans are consistently downgrading their efforts.
DJ Paco Rich.
Yes. Obiorishembia Michelle, what from a DJ Paco to the Rich. Nah, sound engineer, producer, beat maker, MOG Beats. Waka Sembi. Now, some okay, it's a fact. Now, why am I doing some of the who they know? Or them to me, confusing come on. Some okay, there. Mama funny tweets in Mbra. Also, Chale, a lot of Ghanaian artists are depressed. May God give them peace. Because easy, especially when the hits are not coming and the fans are consistently downgrading their efforts. Yes. That feeling. I'm not limited the whole in Ampunko musicians, but creatives, DJs, content creators, comedians, and all that. I can't do ya said ye duty a man kofu was around kofu winwachi. But some of us are deep down in our hearts and very depressed over little things. Just imagine that over years after years and the one is banging everywhere. And you see, the painful thing is that because you will crop your or being your hit in Pona or one yum and all your hit some time ago. So, no respect or war, friend was shows or ya nedzi wom, but ye cream haki. When you battle 1 year pono figure, Ejichima interview po Warren Froby. And that has been the story of the Ghanaian musician. One, Sikana Kasan Ebimba. You see, the most painful thing and reality on the ground in a day. Obibo to me in your hits. Ewa Ghana jet kaprekra no nibi. And Odudamembrana, a lot of these musicians are depressed. Abonyomoa hits Netika Mination nose mask because Empedon Kofubo and you see Zerfa Bolt another Uber. I was a Kali and Yibi. Now I hate comedian and Kofu show what TV do. Not when you Nelly Fatrotra, not by force or show us you intention nose mask. Obandamana, why you depressed? Bibiampo Nyayra, who that's where a lot of people will be sending you messages in your DM that they need support, they need help. But one kasana braboni myers and I'm as an entertainer. See, if you are seen on TV, outside a crowd, so the pressure is coming from the family members. Which your neighbors you have pressure if you are about. What sorry for pressure if you are about. Even in your neighborhood, Obia expected that you're okay. Me, Mazamobe example. See, sometimes I come out there here to do videos, speak, get people laughing. But deep down in my heart, and I will hold in the isum. Yes, I'm being real with you. Sometimes you don't know where your next food is coming from. That's the reality. It's bana bedinest in baby offer, but even though there is easy. So keep you thinking. Or be a YouTube content creator. Some time ago, his videos were doing well and all that. Or do baby video na I do be at sanado. one share. Minyam comedian bia opedo no a female comedian gidi Instagram, YouTube, TikTok be yare we gune dwuma no poto sisi the video to ma obiara nhwe obeye depressed ni na nature no bosora na pana obi afa wo picture na wafa new artist bia wa ba na picture not the whole company do you better than you. Eba your wholesome na bemugu asam otedam. Nti mesrawan. Ewo musician yankubi ewo celebrating yankubi a. Oya bisan for phone bisan there. Papa onwatenda is everything okay? Edida. Bibia you okay? Mo friend onwatenda. Because some of the things we go through Nyankopon kuti no nyim yanka ya samen chubi and moya yo when brand and hadinti na kasasam kukuntan no komazing ani nyi bimpo a de biara kota tarfofo opempobo fofo because zawashe o shada ko show bi mo bi atwa na na abot Instagram na wo watare koran ade kora me da me nyame ase na pa ko reche me da me nyama no mfa mo ho. I'm not in competition with anybody when it comes to fashion. Them man cost bona jagraja mo woye emi menti do dogu biri no abe kwa. Nti yes, limit pressure yet to musicians. Radio present bi o mpa na koche DJ bi o ha wa 6 months won try na kauda se payola bi amboboma na nyama ye basa. Let's pray for our entertainers, especially mwa wa Ghana. Ye juman onye de nyama me ye son anya kra wotonazo ekwana wanto a enuamu a botumezi waze sapano na etona botumezi bi. So I was not surprised when we had the likes of Bandes and I'm going into bread business and a hammer and walk of bread business in a Chale situation. I for woman or your son. Young kind of let's be honest with ourselves. We are struggling as a people like you, yeah, pre. It's yes, I want susu. One the way I will be managing now. One saw Ubotu and Akasan. Wanyana kasa na bibia anya fine. Makra wana wa from a park to the rich. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.
DJ Paco Rich.